show Igbo people celebrating calamity, celebrating disaster, glorifying evil. Igbo man, since inception of the creation or the independence of this nation, has always caused his own problem, has always caused his own calamity. When you look deep into what happened in 1966 that led to the massacre and the killing of the Igbos in the north, it was heartless, it was soulless, unreasonable men in the military that caused it. They slaughtered Igbos like no man business in the north because of what we provoked. I do not understand why Igbo man will continue to provoke his own destruction. If anybody that can say the truth will tell you the root cause of 1996 coup and its consequences. Every time Igbo man is fighting for freedom, and I begin to wonder, are they in captivity? We are not in captivity. We are the captive of ourselves. Nobody is victimizing an Igbo man. We are the one victimizing ourselves. We are the one causing our own destruction. Ojukwu, out of useful exuberance, led the Igbos into a war that slaughtered 30 million men and women that would have developed Igbo land today. Imagine if the 3 million souls that were killed during the Civil War were alive today. Igbo nation would have been a great nation to reckon with as long as this earth is concerned. But this man, when Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe told him, don't go into this war, apply wisdom, he started plotting how to destroy Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe. He did all tribe until he led Nigeria into that calamity. At the end of it all, he abandoned the same people he was fighting their freedom and flee. Many sons and daughters of Igbo nation were destroyed, were killed. Graduate and undergraduate of University of Nigeria and Nsukka were slaughtered mercilessly. The funniest thing that he came back after he was pardoned. He abandoned the same Igbo people and go and joined party with the same people he called his enemies. It is on record that no single soul died in his father's house. Not even any of his child. Another beast from the pit of hell has started using the same evil propaganda lies to deceive the Igbo people again, leading them into another destruction. I don't want to talk about his person. But one thing is certain, that whosoever that follow foolishness will end up into a sudden destruction. Nnamdi Kanu has caused so much pain in Igbo land. It was Ralph Wazirike that started this mess. Ralph Wazirike today is a multi-millionaire. Ralph Wazirike made his money through these lies, the same forms of lies. Ralph Wazirike created this problem. A man I know here at Agulejika who was living in a room and parlor apartment. Today he's a multi-millionaire with the blood of sons and daughters of Igbos who followed him foolishly and ended up destroyed, ended up dying. Hundreds of Igbo youth has been killed looking for freedom, false freedom. What is actually wrong with we Igbos? Why are we so destructive? Why are we so wicked? Why are we so heartless? Look at Igbo land. Enugu man does not believe in Anambra man. Anambra man does not believe in Ebonyi man. Ebonyi man does not believe in Imo. Imo man does not believe in Abia man. Abia man does not believe in Ebonyi. They are completely void of anything that is called love among them. It's only few good ones, especially when you come within the Anambra that loves themselves a bit. My father fought the Civil War. My father said that at our nature, Igbo started killing their fellow Igbo men. What is wrong with this tribe? This is the question people should start asking themselves. Why is it that we are so wicked to the point that we the wicked call such wicked? Nnamdi Kanu has become an emperor. to threaten people, to kill people. One prophet, Ukoro, just because the man criticized him, he sent men to go and they killed the man in Enugu. It shall never be well with Nnamdi Kanu. If you like, you can go ahead and glorify evil. But mind you that the same evil will consume you. If you're an Igbo man and you're supporting the activities of Nnamdi Kanu, sorry is your name. You are doomed. Nnamdi Kanu set up whatever demonic network he set up. Go and check. 95% of the people killed, the policemen killed our sons and daughters of Igbo land. They were cut short. Nnamdi Kanu has brought sorrow and pain in many families in Igbo land. But as long as Sheikh Hamefarash of Israel is alive, Nnamdi Kanu will die a sorrowful and painful death. If you are seen in Nnamdi Kanu fighting for your freedom, you will forever die in self-captivity. Nigeria is the pillar of light that controls Africa. Is unbreakable, is unconquerable, is indestructible, is an indomitable nation. If you like, die 50 million. Nigeria remains Nigeria. If you like, kill yourselves. If you like, destroy yourselves. Go ahead and kill yourself. Go ahead, give arms to the Igbos to kill the Igbos. Nigeria remains one indivisible nation. In every nation, in every setup, in every family, there is always the hate. If Igbo man want to be politically relevant, they should stop all this rubbish. They should stop all this rubbish of threatening. You don't use threats to play politics. Wisdom should tell them that negotiation and dialogue is the only way out. If you think you are being marginalized, you negotiate. You dialogue. Foolishness dwells in us like no man business. Go to South Africa, they have destroyed South Africa. If I fail to tell you this truth, heaven and earth will judge me mercilessly. Gabon, they destroyed Gabon. Anywhere they are. When you talk about wickedness, we are supreme in it. Whatever thing we want to do as regards to wickedness, Igbo man is perfect in it. Look at the churches. Falsehood in churches, scam in churches, started in Aba, in Owerri. All manner of demonic agents parading themselves as pastors, deceiving, scamming people. We always play victim when we are the one victimizing ourselves. These are disasters we call leaders in Igbo land. Men that like wisdom. If there is any wisdom still in you, you should know you need alliance, you need dialogue. What we need in this country is equity and justice. The whole Biafran war was fought with lies and propagandas. At the end of the day, we lost it all. Many idiots in the north do not know the implication and the danger of what Nnamdi Kanu is doing. And you are telling me that this tribe is not under a cause. And you forgot there are over 10 million Igbos in the north. If for anything happen, Igbo man will pay dearly for it. They will go back to square one if any of them survives it. Nnamdi Kanu, as long as heaven and earth remaineth, the Sheikh Hamefarash of Israel will bring you to absolute nothing. The sorrow and pain you have caused in Igbo land will be doubled upon your father's house. You will never see life. Your end shall be so sorrowful. The divinity of this nation will bring you to absolute nothing. Both you and those who are supporting your wickedness, we are cursed with leadership. Selfish men claiming to be our leader. The greatest problem of an Igbo man is Igbo man. Nothing. From 1999 to 2007, when Obasanjo left the seat of power, just in one political season, Igbos produced 5 Senate presidents. They undo themselves. Betrayal. Heartless betrayals. Selfish men. We are our own victim. Nigerian government is not victimizing anybody. When you present yourself untrustworthy, nobody will trust you. No reasonable person will trust a man that is full, a tribe that is full of betrayals.